Hi everyone! Today's video is super special because we're going to learn about affirmations. Affirmations are like superpowers you say out loud. They make you feel really good and help you do amazing things. We're going to learn 10 easy affirmations that you can use every single day. Are you ready to have some fun and learn some awesome affirmations? Let's get started. The first affirmation is, I am smart. When you say I am smart, it's like telling your brain to believe in itself. You become more confident in school and brave enough to try new things. And you know what? Everyone is smart in their own way. Some friends are good at math, some are awesome at drawing, and some are super fast at puzzles. It doesn't matter what you're good at. Always remember, I am smart. Our next affirmation is, I am kind. Being kind means helping others, being polite, and sharing your toys. When you're kind, it makes you feel really good inside, and it makes other people happy too. Imagine you see a friend who is feeling sad. You can be kind by giving them a hug or telling them a funny joke. Kindness is like a superpower that makes the world a better place. Get ready to be a superhero, because our next affirmation is, I am brave. Sometimes, we have to do things that scare us a little bit, like trying a new food or going down a big slide. But when you say I am brave, it gives you the courage to face your fears and try new things. Remember, being brave doesn't mean you're not scared. It means you try even though you are. I am loved. This affirmation is super important. I am loved. You are loved so much by your family and friends. They love you for being you, with all your silliness and smiles. Always remember that you are special and loved no matter what. Say it with me. I am loved. I am important. You are one of a kind, and that makes you super special. Our next affirmation is, I am important. You have unique talents and ideas that can make the world a better place. Never forget that your thoughts and feelings matter. You are important, and you make a difference in the world. I can do hard things. Sometimes we face challenges. Things might seem difficult, but don't give up. Our next affirmation is, I can do hard things. When you believe in yourself and keep trying, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Remember, even if it takes a few tries, you can do it. Say it loud and proud. I can do hard things.
Know you've been a good friend.
I am a good friend. Friends make life more fun and exciting. Our next affirmation is, I am a good friend. Being a good friend means being kind, helpful, and a good listener. It means sharing and caring for your friends. When you're a good friend, you create amazing friendships that last a lifetime. I am creative. Let your imagination run wild, because our next affirmation is, I am creative. You have incredible ideas and can create amazing things. Whether it's drawing, building with blocks, or coming up with new games, your creativity is endless. Don't be afraid to let your imagination soar. Remember, I am creative. I am strong. Being strong isn't just about being physically strong. It's also about being emotionally strong. It means being brave when you face challenges and not giving up easily. You are stronger than you think, both inside and out. I am strong. I am enough. It means you are perfect just the way you are. You don't need to change anything about yourself to be loved and accepted. Embrace your uniqueness and always remember, I am enough. Wow! You guys were amazing! We learned 10 super powerful affirmations today. Remember to use them every day and see how much more confident and happy you become. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!